So hey guys, welcome to my channel. So it is not a gaming video.
What I can do if I am a foodie?
So it is a vlog of my
Rest in
first.
peace. अरे ये भी फूडी है इसका
हाँ, नहीं
देखा है
दिखाते।
आपने दिखाते
So it is my first vlog.
थोड़ा दिखाते
So today I am showing my friends. Yeah. So this is my one friend, my bestest friend, Devajit, and this is my very much gadha. Wait, means she is my dushman. You can say.
मेरे को
And
शूट करने दो
सहलेंगे थोड़ा दोनों there is one more friend that and he's telling that I will not that don't show, so I will not show him, and no, he always says that oh I have this, I have this, I have this, and I always says so,
what the hell is your name?
hi guys. Oh, so
the hell is your name?
my friend is also doing vlogging, so I'm also doing. So my friend always says, no, this is not doing, this is not doing, this is not doing.
I don't care.
I have all things, I have this, I have this. So I always tell that what I will do, what I will do if you have, what I will do, I will dance. Huh?
Oh
So
God.
that's why.
Please.
So I will not show him. He's a very, he's very bad. Yeah, very bad. Sometimes I think that if I am a police officer, I will take gun and I will shoot him. Yeah. Hey, shut up, shut up. Mama, vlog banachhi, vlog. So, see, I am drinking
तो अभी मैं
Mango
सोचा
juice.
थोड़ा सा टूडी दे दूं मैंगो ना ऑरेंज सॉरी ये है सस्ता एमएनवी
দিকে যাবো তাড়াতাড়ি কর
ये है सस्ता
very good.
लोवर के ये है मेरे जूते
And it is very cold and you can come here. It's a very good
मेरा
restaurant.
नाम है ड्रेक
The restaurant is called JW Marriott.
मेरा-
Yeah, it is called JW Marriott. It is a very good hotel.
सीवीवी नंबर
And
तो यही है
my
फोन
favorite
फोन नंबर भी
juice.
नहीं दे सकता
orange juice. Yummy, yummy.
address
Yummy.
160505050
क्या ये मेरा नहीं है आयुष से स्टार्ट होता है झूठ बोलने की
ফাস্ট আয়ু
हिपोक्रेसी
বলছি
की
সবাই দিয়ান্ডেও বলেছে চট তাড়াতাড়ি খা আমরা
তুই এবার
সবাই
ভিডিওটাকে
দিকে
pause কর।
যাবো ভিডিওটাকে একবার পজ কর
এই তুই কে রে বলার আমি ভিডিও পজ করে
আর ইয়ে দেখো,
প্রাইম মিনিস্টার
আমার নামে যদি এমন কিছু
বলেছিস আমার নামে যা যা বলেছিস বেনিকা নামে যা যা বলেছিস এগুলো কিন্তু তুই পোস্ট করবি না ইউটিউবে। এই তুই কে রে বলার আমি পোস্ট করব কি পোস্ট করব
সবই
না
করবো।
হ্যাঁ তুই কে বলা
করবি আমি
আমার পোস্ট আমার ইউটিউব চ্যানেল আমি পোস্ট করব এটাকে ভাঙবো চুড়বো
আরে,
জেল বের করব
করতে দে।
আমার ইচ্ছা।
बोल
কথা বলে আমাদের বেজতি করছিস কেন
আরে বেইজ্জতি করছে কি বন্ধুরা আমাদের
বাজে বাজে আমরা কি ছুরি বাজে হয়ে যাচ্ছি
নিশ্চয়ই,
হচ্ছি না তো
হ্যাঁ
বাজে নিজের কাছে যদি নিজের কাছে যদি তুমি নিজের
এটা কাজ করবি,
রাখতে পারো,
লেখা
তাহলে
লিখতে
তুমি
পারে না।
উঁচু। তুই চুপ কর বুঝলি
তুই চুপ কর আমার ইউটিউব চ্যানেল আমার ইচ্ছা আমি বানাবো
ये है
আর পোস্ট
सस्ता
করব
एमएनवी है किटर जी दिस इज योर एमएनवी है सस्ता
তাড়াতাড়ি খা দিয়া
এই yep orange juice orange and I've never shown you this, so this is my Boat Rockers 255. It is a neon green variant. You can check out. I will give the link in the description. You can check out this Bluetooth.
ही
It's
इज
very good.
बोर्ड
अगर ये नहीं मिला ना मतलब ऐसे बोलना है ना कि
One
लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है गाओ और मतलब जाओ और चेकआउट करो अगर नहीं
I'm
मिला
telling
ना
lie.
तो कतले
I'm telling lie guys, I'm telling lie.
हाँ,
Sorry
पता
guys.
था। यूट्यूब चलाना भी नहीं आता एडिट नहीं कर
One second.
Hi, Khaled.
Actually, you can subscribe
हम लोग
Devajit. Actually, he has very small subscribers.
Actually, मेरे को
Actually,
पता
he
है,
don't have
इतना
many
ही married
subscribers.
है,
So please subscribe
हाँ,
him
वो कोलकाता है।
and subscribe me also
कितना
because
sexy है।
I am the not best,
Not
but I
the
do
best.
very good gaming. So
मतलब इसका
so I am.
क्लास ही इतना अच्छा है
So you can see.
तूने जो
So you can see how many people
Chop.
are there.
चुप
So many.
चुप एक कैमरा दे मेरा
So many places. So many. So there is many places. So that's why.
तो
And it is a very good place and you
What's your
and
name?
and there is parking also.
what the hell is your name
what's my name
One second.
what the hell is your name
My hair is
হেল কম আমার যেরকম ব্রেক আছে তোর নাম কি
unstoppable. I subscribe now. Yeah. So I am now going.
सस्ता प्रमोशन मैंने बोला नहीं कि प्रमोशन करने को प्रमोशन कर दिया
So I have to go.
লিখা সবে
So I have to go in another side. So I will see you. So I'm.
তাড়াতাড়ি খা
আমি তো শুট করার জন্য এসেছি আমি শুট
তুই
করে
গেলে
খাবো না যাচ্ছি
আচ্ছা বল।
তোদের জন্য আমরা সবাই ওয়েট করছি
ক্যামেরায় আমি আমার ট্রাইপড নিয়ে আসছি
আমি ব্লগ করলে ভালো মতো করতাম
জোর করো না জোর করো না
कैमरा नहीं मिला चलो आज के दिन हम लोग चैंपियन सेलिब्रेट करने वाला है क्योंकि ये
So it is done.
अपने घर में
So I'm now going to another place. So this is the first thing that we have eaten. Yeah, this is the first thing that we have eaten. Now we will go to another row. Yeah, let's go. You can see there are many peoples. You can see the decoration. And see this. See this. It is very much good. Yes, I'm coming. Oh my God, I have to go. My stomach is full to eat this juice. Yeah, my stomach is full. So it's the second row. So I'm going the second row. Yeah, I'm going the second row. Okay, guys. So I will see you in the second row. So guys, I have not seen you this. So it is a very good place. Yeah, you can see. Yes, it is a TV also. Yeah. So it is a overall it is a good place. Yeah, you can say it is a good place. So so I will collab. Oh, okay, I'm seeing you this and
के साथ कोई ब्लॉग नहीं
and I
हम दोनों बनाते
and I am and after this I will pause the video and then after that I will show you means I will show you where I have
YouTube का सबसे सस्ता कोलैब जो कि प्लान भी नहीं था
but
किसके बीच में
he's telling all nonsense but he has only 6 subscribers and I have 21
all our friends including me.
and you know the most favorite thing, he has opened his channel before than me and now and then also he has 6 subscribers and I have opened my channel after him but now I have 21 subscribers.
Because
Then who is best? Yeah.
Yes, because you are doing all of the promotions among your school, among your friends, among your tuition friends. Yeah, and I am hiding with everyone.
You harding. I also have friends. I also friends and my friends is also subscribing but other people are also subscribing.
No, it is wrong.
It is correct. How can you tell it is not? Guys, there is one. I am being confused that there is one Chinese man means Chinese woman. So I am scared because you know in China there is only coronavirus. So I am scared one. So I'm scared. So and you can see this. You can see this. See.
सब्सक्राइब करो, शेयर करो, सब कुछ करो, लाइक करो.
Yeah. It is so much good. So where I'm going. So I will show you the entire tour.
ये क्या है?
What is this?
रखा है.
What is this? See guys, what is this? What is this? Yeah. What is this? So I have not shown you this. So it is a whole interior where the staffs take the where the staffs stay. Yeah, this is a place. If you can see, then please tell me. And if you cannot see, then I'm really sorry. So yeah, that is good. Yeah, and my friends is also enjoying. So let's go. All my friends is enjoying this. He also. Yeah. Yeah. So it is a very good place. See. See this all. See this all. You have to do this. After you come in the restaurant, you have to do this, okay? You have to do this. And now, coronavirus, the sanitizer we have to do that. We have to put the sanitizer in our hands. So we have to wear mask. Oh my god. This is my mask, mama.
Can I have your vouchers, please?
My mask.
আমি কি নিয়ে আসবো?
So always wear mask and wear sanitizer. Yeah, wear mask and wear sanitizer. It is very much important because now is coronavirus. And what I'm telling, because you all know it is coronavirus. You are not going anywhere, so you know it is a coronavirus. So it's a very good place. After all, so yeah.
मेरे को कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है.
So yeah, guys.
ये
So see this. Yeah. It's a very. Please stand here. We have to stand here. We have to stand here.
ইয়ে খাবে যে আগে করে নাও
হ্যাঁ
এখানে আসো চেক করে নাও আগে
So I have to wash my hands. Yeah.
কালো রঙের ওটা কোথায়
Give me my mama. Actually, my mama was taking my phone. So there's many people. Yeah. Oh my God. I cannot see you, but there is many people. I think in this hotel there will be pakka coronavirus. Pakka. I'm 100%. It is here coronavirus. See. Many people. There is people. No there. See this? It is a metal.
Bye bye.
Yeah, you go.
पक्का है.
Yeah, it's a very good place. I'm telling again and again, it is very good place, and it is called JW Marriott. Yeah, JW Marriott. So you can tell your father or mother to take, and you can say that Ayush has come. so where have you come? And if anybody has come JW Marriott, please write me in the comment section. So we have come in our seat. We have come. Yeah. Okay, guys, we have come in our place. Okay.
চেয়ারে বসিস না সোফা চলে
Final place.
Oh, and see this.
সোফা ইজ রয়্যালটি
See this.
যাও নিয়ে চলে আসো কিছু খেলে নিয়ে চলে আসো
Wow.
ওকে এই তুই
So now we'll go to the recipe dish, the recipe book, and I will see what I will order. So I will see you. So let's go.